This is a fully automatic bottle unscrambler. Empty bottles are fitting here. Through this green conveyor belt, the bottle reaches to another side. By rotation and photoelectric detection, the fully automatic bottle unscrambling is achieved. This is desiccant inserting machine. After desiccant inserted into the bottles, then bottle go to the next station, the 16-channel counting machine. The counting machine uploads capsules or tablets through 3 levels of vibration. This machine is a camera detection variant counting machine. There is also photoelectric detection variant can be optional. They are suitable for different products. There's a reject station here, and some unqualified bottles such as lead tablets will be rejected here. Vibration frequency can be adjusted via touch screen. Here is the cap uploading machine. It's a cap unscrambler. Then go to the inline capping or press capping. The capping machine can be customized according to the actual cap. There is a capping detection here. If it is detected that the capping is not screwed well, it will be rejected. After bottle filling, then go to this station. It is the aluminum foil induction sealing machine. Here show you the sealing effect. After alu sealing, the bottle will go to the next station, labeling machine. It is a round bottle labeling machine with code printing, the ribbon code printer for batch code, and also has the available for the transparent label, has the transparent sensor. It is 300B model, which will be higher price than the one we checked in the workshop. But also it is a higher variant, and the configuration will be better.